In this video, I will tell you how to convert your image to JPG file extension. For that, the process is very simple. I'm going to share you a website, which is Adobe, of course. It is their official website, and that will allow you to convert your image, for example, from PNG to JPG for free. So it is pretty much very easy and simple. Just simply click on the website and you will be redirected to this here. I will provide the link to the website in the description below so you guys can check it out. So all you have to do is to upload your photo right over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this photo, which is obviously in PNG, and I'm just gonna convert that photo into the JPG right in front of you. So it will just take a few seconds till the process has been completed. Here you guys can see that it is now converted into the JPG, and you guys can simply click on the download option and your file will be downloaded pretty smoothly without able to create an account on the Adobe. So if you don't have an account on the Adobe, you can simply still convert the file to the JPG file extension. So here you guys can see that the file is in the JPG extension and it is that easy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. Take care. Bye bye.